Hazrat Salim bin Abdullah narrates that Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu told him that Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu one day, along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, accompanied by a contingent of his companions, went to Ibn Sayyad until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam found him while he was playing with the boys in the houses of Banu Maghala, and Ibn Sayyad was then nearing the age of puberty. He did not know their arrival until Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam struck his back with his hand and said, "Do you testify that I am Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam?" He looked at him, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and said, "I bear witness that you are the apostle of unlettered people." Thereafter Ibn Sayyad said, "Do you testify that I am Allah's apostle?" The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon pushed him away and then said, "I believe in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his apostles alayhimus salam." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereafter said to Ibn Sayyad, "What do you see?" He replied, "The true and the liar visit me." Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Then your affair is dubious." Then Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I keep something as a secret for you to tell." He said, "It is ad-dukh." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Be off, you cannot cross your limit." Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, permit me to behead him." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "If he is that Dajjal, you cannot overpower him. And if he is not that one, then there is no goodness for you in killing him." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6173.